Hey Emma, I decided just to make you a quick video because I thought maybe it would help for me to just explain it instead of trying to type out an explanation and you read it. So what you're supposed to be doing, here's the scenario. A principal comes and watches you teaching a lesson, and she says to you, I think that you're treating this one particular kid differently, or you're treating him like he's a low achiever. And then also your book center needs revamped. And that's basically what's going on in this scenario. And so the instructions are for you to write 3 questions or reflect on 3 ways that you can improve on the way you're treating this one particular child. So if you'll go to chapter 6 and go to the 6.4b and read this. It's about teachers' attitudes towards children. And so most teachers sometimes harbor attitudes or feelings towards some of their students based on if you think that they come from a poor family or a single parent home, or you've heard about this particular mom and they say she's cray, whatever. Sometimes we have attitudes that would affect our expectations and then how we treat that student. And we don't want to do that. We want to always have high expectations for every child regarding how we feel like they can learn and improve and achieve and succeed and all that stuff. So read this. 6.4 Teachers' Attitudes Towards Children, and then use that to come up with questions that you can think about and ways that you can go about treating your student and having high expectations for them. Okay, and then also when you do your self-evaluation, refer back to this. Say this, I came up with this question because it says in my chapter 6 for that I need to have high expectations for all my children. And that's where you refer back to your reading in the chapter, is for your self-evaluations. And then for the part about your book center, you just want to come up with 3 ways you can improve your book center. So if you, um, you know, make it a smaller nook, you put a lamp, you put some pillows, you put an area for, kids to be able to choose books that are interesting to them. Whatever you do, you can come up with ways to revamp your book center and make it a cooler space for kids. Okay, I hope this answers your question, and if it doesn't, just email me back and I'll try to do better.